Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's your girl, SIMPLEFX, with another live trade for this Friday, May 10th, to finish off the week. So, I'm a little frustrated this morning because last night I took a trade on US30. I had my entries, where I had my entries at? Right around this area here last night. And I forgot to set a TP, y'all. I was supposed to, because usually when I take these overnight trades, I don't usually have a TP, but for the most part, if I know I'm like real tired or I won't be able to check it, through periodically, I will set a TP, 20 points, 30 points, whatever it is. And last night, I don't know. I guess I just forgot to set a TP, and this thing pushed all the way up here for like 60 points, almost 65 points. And when I woke up this morning, it was all the way back down here, right around like where I entered. I still make money, but I'm a little, man, that would have been nice to close out with a little bit more, being that it was a real nice move. And I was so tired last night, I did not wake up at all to check it. And I did set a stop loss, but I didn't set a TP. So that's a little frustrating. Like I said, would have been nice to get it, but it is what it is. Still a win, wasn't a loss. Okay, cool. So basically, this morning I'm back on the charts, and so basically I was anticipating price to come retest this area here, right? Because it needs to be retested. We just broke this area here, made a new high. We got that my little bounce that I like, but we didn't get multiple bounces, right? We got one bounce, and then price just started pumping. And I think the reason why we're doing that is because US30 is so very, very bullish. We caught that setup yesterday, and guys, look at this crazy move US30 did yesterday. This was insane what it did yesterday. So we're on a very, very strong bullish run right now, and I think that it's probably gonna continue to cap off the week. So I anticipate that price should continue bullish. But the thing is with US30, it pulls back. It loves to pull back, always pulls back, retesting certain major areas. Really, really don't know if we're going to get this push to continue bullish. I am already in buys here. I'm in about $2,300 drawdown. I already took my buys just before I started the video. I already sent this trade out to my private group. Would like to see us continue bullish because it's looking like, we've been struggling to come back and retest this zone right here. We probably will, maybe next week, I don't know. Or maybe even today at around 9:30, who knows. But I'm anticipating that price should hold this area here, being that we made another high. We already retested it and want to see price, just continue bullish here. So if we don't push from this area here, we could, like I said, have this area here, which is why I have this arrow coming up here. If price does break below this area of support, most likely we can come down and push. And that's why I have my stops a little bit tight here, because if price actually breaks this area, then there's a good chance it's gonna come all the way back down. So that's why I don't want to take that risk. I'm never gonna have a stop loss that crazy. I'm going to keep it reasonable to where the trade is valid. So I'm going to let this thing ride and see. We're pulling back a little bit here, which is fine. I just wanted to hold at least this area here. Let me circle it. This area right here. I want to see what price does there and to see if we can continue up, break this high. Once we break this high, then at that point, we should continue bullish at that point, then push. But I'm not going to hold all the way up to these highs here. It's Friday, there's no need to try to hold moves, stay in the market forever and all of that. That move that US30 did yesterday, I don't see it doing that 2 days in a row, but you never know. So I'm gonna let this trade ride for the next, however long it takes to set up. It's 8:30. We should get a little volume here and go from there. So I'm gonna let this thing go, and I'll keep y'all posted. If it hits stop loss or it goes into profit, I'll come on back and let you guys know how we doing. See you on the next part. Okay, so it is 9:30. We're getting a little bit of volume here. We're pumping up a little here. I'm about to take profit here shortly. Nice move. We came down and pulled back a little bit, but now we're moving up, which is nicely. So perfect trade. Perfect setup here. We're up about 3,000 on this trade, which ain't too bad. So yeah, I'm gonna let it push just a little bit more, and then close out and take profit. So I don't like this setup too much. It was kind of risky because we didn't know if we are gonna get a pullback here, but it's pumping up here. So I'm gonna take profit here shortly, and take it for the day, and that'll be my Friday. So that's pretty much this quick trade for this video. Don't want to keep it too long. Gotta go get my day started here. I think price is gonna hold this area and continue to pump. So that's it. That's all I got for y'all. If y'all want to join my group, are interested in the broker that I use, please see the link in the description box below. Questions, comments, concerns, please drop them in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to engage with you guys. As always, it's your favorite female trader, Charlene FX, and I'll catch you guys on the next trade. Peace out. Real quick, had to come back and show you guys how the trade turned out. Beautiful setup here. We are up to almost a 15K day, which is amazing. I actually stepped away to take a phone call, and I came back to my computer, and I saw that price just skyrocketed, and I decided to go ahead and re-record this real quick so you guys can see. Excellent trade. Beautiful setup. Send it out to my group, and we're good for the day. So just wanted to finish it off with that. Y'all have a good weekend. I'm out.